And I'm feeling very proud, sir, that the society has responded in a big way. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
honor from us for us also.
You must have read most of the things in the press about General Gurmeet Singh. I will try to tell something kahi, unkahi, some suni, unsuni, with your permission. Thank you. As we all know, he has held 2 PSO appointments in Army headquarters. He retired as Deputy Chief of Army Staff, and before that he was Adjutant General, which is equivalent to AOP in Indian Air Force. He is, as Mrs. Poonam Datta said, he is a alumni of NDA, and we have among us one of his course mates, Group Captain Seda, with us. Thank you, sir, for coming.
Go proud.
General Gurmeet Singh, he has been, whatever he has done in his life, he has always been at the forefront. Everything. After doing his schooling from Kapurthala, his NDA, he was commissioned into Indian Army in Assam Regiment for Assam, sir. And how I came to know, when he was responding to people's calls with Tagda Raho. So Tagda Raho, I didn't ask him anything, I went and googled it. It said it is a regimental salutation of 4 regiment. There is a story behind it, all army people may know about it. He has spent nearly 10 years in Jammu and Kashmir, in all positions where you come across with these so-called unwanted elements at any given time. He commanded a brigade, Baramulla, and me and my wife had the honor of being their guests once. And I want to tell you one thing, I saw the insurgency with our own eyes. We actually had to miss our flight because they came on the road and they were throwing stone and dandas. It was only due to the driver who took us immediately to the nearest army unit that we could survive. It was that serious. Later on we came to know some terrorist was killed by the army. They had put that body on the road and it was going free for all. That is what. It is no more there, I believe now. Then from there, after commanding 29 brigades, sir? Okay. Sir? 79 brigade. He moved to Srinagar as BGS, Brigade General Staff, Brigadier General Staff, BGS, and then on promotion, he took over a GOC of the most important area, the DODA, the counter-insurgency force. If I am not wrong, sir, Delta Force? Okay. This all I know just because I have been with him, it is not written anywhere. And I want to share only those aspects which are not known to our society. From there, then he remained still in the Jammu and Kashmir, and he became a 3-star general as Corps Commander 15 Corps Srinagar. After his successful tenure, he moved to Army headquarters. Before moving to Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, or in between, he was Director China Desk in the military operations in the South Block, Army headquarters, and he also became additional DGMO there, and he visited China 7 times, led delegations to China, Shanghai, Beijing, every place, and twice he went to Pakistan. So that is why when he is on TV, You can see him. He is bajawing, whether it is Pakistan or it is China, everything.
Will you come here? Let me acknowledge that, sir, I've seen you on the TV so many times.
Every day almost.
So that's lovely indeed.
Nowadays.
And perhaps that part we'll miss now for your tenure in Anyway, sir, what is that regimental
Tagda Rao.
Tagda Rao. I only want to say that, sir, what you are telling, it has been endorsed by nobody less than Prime Minister himself during General's recent visit to Prime Minister before taking over. He said कि जन साहब मैं आपको सुनता हूँ टीवी पे देखता हूँ आप क्या बोलते हैं.
TV, let me tell you, Prime Minister must be knowing so many more things about him. Perhaps, General sir, sorry for saying so, he may not be knowing.
Okay.
All the
Okay.
players who had gone across the Olympics, वगैरह, para or otherwise, he has known about everybody, how they progressed, how they came to that level, and that's how we really invested so much in them. So I think as far as Modi ji is concerned, perhaps we leave it at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me throw some light on his work culture and what he is as a human being and what he has done after retiring as deputy chief. He could have easily played golf. As a PSO, he was member of Gymkhana Club, everything. But what he chose, I will tell you. First, I was also with him. We joined Sankalp. Sankalp is the organization which trains tomorrow's bureaucrats and nation builders. So, a person like him, he was the right person to give nationalistic and patriotic teachings to the young students coming from various startup societies. And I want to tell you, I attended felicitation of newly recruited IAS, the Sankalp. I was surprised that out of 950 odd IAS and IPS that year, 600 plus were from Sankalp. And a large number of them Muslim young candidates who spoke. They come from small places and all. And I want to say that General Gurmeet's contribution is there in shaping them in nation building. That's what I'm telling you. Then he has been the chief patron of many NGOs and other organizations. Like, see, I tell you, I may miss something because my granddaughter has said I have to speak extempore. So I have no choice, so I may miss out something, please forgive me. I cannot now take out my paper and thank you. The Rashtriya Sainik Sangh. Rashtriya Sainik Sangh is the organization for ex-servicemen and the civilian patriots and nationalists. And he, as a chief national patron, he is shaping them, he is directing them, he is giving guidance to them that what India needs, what is new India of tomorrow. Then he is associated with organization, a very noble cause. I am still human. Right, sir? I am still human is an organization for youth, women empowerment and social justice. So all these three issues are close to his heart. And I wish and I request him that these must continue. These must continue. Wherever you are, sir, in whatever position you are. And finally, I will tell you about his as a human character. We were going for a seminar one day. As we sat down in the taxi, he immediately got down. He told taxi to stop near our house. And I saw there was a young, smart boy. He went and shook hands with him. And he spoke to him for 2-3 minutes. When he came back, I asked him, he said, सर मैंने उसको, वो ऐसे ही घूमता फिरता है, I have advised him to make some aim in life and progress, and he still comes that boy, but he's you can see the way of looking at life has changed. So he is shaping life. He is a true human being. He is a down-to-earth person, and the best part is he is one among us. वो एक बात है जो यहाँ चरितार्थ होती है, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है।
वाह वाह वाह।
आपको कहीं जाना नहीं है ढूंढने, और मैं आपको बता रहा हूं ये रास्ता यहाँ रुकने वाला नहीं है। ये कह के मैं अपनी जवान को देता हूं विराम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, PV.